What's up, guys? I'm an absolute mess, but we are standing on not a brand new, but definitely a super improved driver stand. Now, last year when I built my 8-scale track, we put up the stand and basically it was just a platform. I threw up a workbench in the back, also kind of a janky pit lane, and over the winter, the weather really destroyed that stuff. One of the first things I wanted to do is tear that all off, get this thing proper, then put up some railings so my 2-year-old, when he comes up here, he's a little safer. I don't have to run after him if he wants to come up on the driver's stand, and just make it safer for everybody as well. So yesterday I got right to tearing off that pit lane and that workbench on the back of the stand, and then we started to throw up those railings. Now, once the railing started to take shape, everything was looking pretty good, so I went and grabbed some more wood. Wanted to make the railings themselves just a little sturdier. And then I had a big project behind me, making the back workbench and then a shelf underneath it. We didn't really use a level and make sure everything was exactly square. So it's definitely a little bit eyeball engineered, but it came out awesome. So I want to show it to you right now. Now, this thing looks awesome. It's going to be a blast this summer, but the track looks awesome as well. So let's check out the track. All right, the track's a blast as well. The stand, of course, looks awesome. So we're gonna have a lot of fun up here this summer. So if you wanna see some awesome RC action from up here on my track, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Of course, like and share, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.